Today we're gonna learn how you can solve the error that your Wi-Fi is not connecting. Okay, so for that first we have to go to the control panel, right? You can search on the control panel in the search box. Control panel, right? You have to click. When you are in the control panel, then you have to check for the internet options. Here it is. Just click on that. After that you have to go to advanced, then click on the restore advanced setting, which is there. When you will click on that, it will restore, and then click apply and OK. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to go to the connections. Where is connections? In the internet option itself, there is a connections. Go to connections, then go to LAN settings, then check the automatically detected setting. Automatically detect setting is tick. If it is not, then mark it as a tick, then OK, and then apply and OK. Okay, then you have to go to network and sharing center. Click on that, then click on change adapter setting. Here, click on that one. Here you will find Wi-Fi option. Okay, right click on that, then disable it. Okay, disable it. Then again right click on that and make it enable. It will take a little time, but it will enable soon, right? Now it is enabled. This may take little time, but after that, go to Wi-Fi option in your taskbar. This is the one. Then choose whichever Wi-Fi you want to connect. Okay, I will try with this one. So this will connect. If not, then click on the airplane mode. Okay, then switch off. The airplane mode is off and it will again show some Wi-Fi connections. You can click on the any of them. If not, then you may have to restart your computer. After that, you will find that your Wi-Fi connection is working well. Right, you can see my Wi-Fi is connected. Okay, thanks. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.